Have you ever tried to break an egg by squeezing it in your hand? Seems easy, right? Let's put the strength of an egg to the test and try it out. For this experiment, all you need is an egg and a ring. Grab the egg in the palm of your hand and wrap your fingers tightly around it and squeeze with all the strength and energy you can muster to break the egg. Much to your surprise, the fragile egg will not break. This is because the shape of an egg makes it incredibly strong and able to withstand a lot of pressure when the pressure is evenly distributed around the whole egg. But when you focus the pressure into one spot, the eggshell is much more fragile and it will break. To demonstrate this, slide a ring onto one of your fingers and squeeze the egg again. The ring will focus the force of your squeeze onto a small area of the egg, and the egg should burst with all sorts of gooiness spilling out of the egg and into your hands. This experiment is a great way to demonstrate that an egg is strong enough for a hen to sit on it, but fragile and weak enough for a baby chick to peck a hole in the egg to escape.